Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you the 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General and looking for some good old deals, and which this week was a nice week, I think. Okay, it wasn't the best, but it was a nice week. So let's go ahead and get to this video because I have two 5 off of 25s that I've done today. Yes, two of them. On the second one, I was kind of disappointed, but we're really not disappointed, but I'll let you know when if you want to go over and check out that video, you will know what happened. So check that video out and you can find out all the goodies that I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to this video. So the first thing is the Charmin Essentials 12 equals 23 family soft toilet paper. It is $4.95. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is a thing. Is the 12 Comfort Plus. They are $5. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. And I think if you want to get the 6-pack, 6 rolls, I think you can get that too. But I just went ahead and did the 12 because I'm doing a fetch, trying to get some points back off of fetch, which I will do once I submit this receipt. The next thing is the Scott paper towels. You know, the Scott paper towels, y'all, they are really going up. I'm so sick and tired of that for the Scott paper towels. They are, let's see, the Scott paper towel is $6. There is only 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. I'm like, why are you just giving us 50 cents? Just go ahead and just keep giving us the $1. But y'all know how that goes, okay? So then the next thing is these Happy Scents. You know, there is about, I think, 4 or 5 Happy Scents that you can get. Now, I didn't really have, I don't think I even got to get, only got one of the green. So I went ahead and got 3 more of the green because I wanted, it was another color that I was trying to get. I think it was the strawberry berry or something like that. Berry, strawberry, one of them. But every time I went, they was always out of it. I think I got 1, but I wanted to get more. So I went ahead and got these 3. They are $2.25. There is a 3, it says if you buy 3 for $4 digital coupon. And then also is a buy 2, get 1 free digital coupon. Well, no, it's not a digital coupon. It's actually on the sale. Buy 2 of these, you get 1 free. Okay. So then the next thing I got was the Purex. The Purex, you can get either the 21 and I think the other one is 17. So, you know, I'm always going to get the more. It is $3.50. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. And then the last thing is this Cantu Deep Treatment. I never tried this before. If I did, it was a long time ago when I went natural. So if these are $2 and we do have a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. So yeah, I'm ready to try this and see if it actually makes my hair more soft. And because I love to deep condition. But like I said, it is $2. There's a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. So y'all, when I put everything up on the counter, she scanned it. I put my number in. After all the digitals came off and the sale price came off, my subtotal, y'all, was $12.70. And you know you cannot beat that with paper deal. $12.70, and my 5 off of 25 did come off. So let me show you my receipt. So there is the Purex, there is the Cantu, there is the Sky Comfort Plus toilet paper, there is the Scent Happies, all 3 of them. There's the Scott paper towels, and there's the Charmin Essentials. There's my subtotal, $12.70. And, you know, look at the, you know, everybody's taxes is different, but look at the total savings, $15.50. You cannot beat that. So, oh, and I did get a 5 off of 25 for October the 1st. So, with this right here is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nyla's Channel.